Did you have any struggles with that idea, and how did you overcome all of them?
Anything we try to do in our life, always there is a challenge, always there is a struggle, right? The simple thing cannot be happen. I think the biggest challenge was, let me put it out, maybe top 3 challenges. The first challenge was, it was such a new concept, because there was a scholarship is all about giving some money away or trying to bring it out for some kind of small donation from some company. So that is all about the scholarship in Vietnam so far, or some kind of a fund giving some kind of money away for some student, and that's it. So we really wanted to focus. Our vision is we really focus about the youth and making them the champion in a particular skill. So it was a very new concept, a very new type of scholarship. So the first challenge was letting people understand the scholarships. In the beginning, it was like, oh my God, it's so strange. I mean, and how can a scholarship like that? I mean, how can, and it sounds so unbelievable to a lot of people. So we had to really show it to them that, hey, this is the scholarship and we're really doing it, and it's going to be our investment on you to make you a social champion. And then it come to their mind that, oh, what do we want return from them? And our answer was, we don't want nothing from you. It's our investment, and you help other people in the community, and that's exactly what we want. We don't want anything returned from you. So the whole thing was so new concept for them, and a lot of youth was found it is unbelievable. And so that was the first challenge, that really show it to them. It's really we're doing it, and it's gonna happen. So it was the first challenge. We show it to them, we communicate to them, we use the social media, we build out the websites, and we communicate and show it to them in the first season, and then everybody realized that actually a really GUP exists, and our true purpose was clear to everyone. The second challenge was building a sustainable program, because there are so many courses we could create for creating social champion, but which courses we should pick it up, which courses we should do, should we do 5, should we do 10, should we do 15? And then we figure out that the most 3 important will be the nutrition, the first aid, and the childcare. And then we did a survey to figure out that how many people really want those courses, and how many. Then we figured out these are the 3 courses is really needed. So then we started the GUP with these 3: Share for Life for nutrition, Live and Love for childcare, and Fast Aid Hero Factory for the training on the first aid program. So this was the second challenge, to figure out what are the top 3 courses we should start with. And then the raise came along for the next year, because we saw students are struggling a lot with the entrepreneurship skill. So then we add the 4th courses, raise, which is raise a social entrepreneur. And the third challenge was about the designing of the program. How do we make a really practical program rather than a theory based, or how do we make a program about just to give them some knowledge? Because we don't want to do a GUP for just giving them a set of knowledge. We wanted to give them a GUP with proper practical skill. So designing the program was the third challenge. So then we did multiple round of workshops. We did a lot of demo session. We did the testings. We bring up different kind of practical learning expert. We also connected with different mentors all over the world, take their feedback to design a really practical program as well too. Besides that, my core expectancy about working in RMIT, because RMIT also focus about practical and work integrated learning, and I really believe that that's something really valuable as well too. So then we put it all together to design the program. We did multiple, there was a multiple round of draft program we designed, we criticized, and then we change, optimize to come to the level that, okay, now we're convincing enough, it's actually a practical learning model, and then we started to do in the GUP. So these are the three challenges. In summary, the first one is bring a true scholarship program, and the second challenging is pick the 4 courses to put it on the GUP, and the third one is designing a practical learning program. And that's how I just explained the way we handle those challenges.